LEAX Hungary is your partner for complex manufacturing solutions of products and systems for general industry, agriculture, mining and construction, commercial vehicles and the telecom industry. Our core products are advanced machine components which we supply to a wide range of our market-leading industrial partners. LEAX Hungary is an important part of the general industry business area of the LEAX Group. With our colleagues in Germany and Latvia, we have vast knowledge in the manufacturing of mechanical products. All of our actions are based on a strong set of values. One of our core values is to listen to our customers and to be in constant dialogue with them. Constant improvement in serial production is imperative to stay competitive. Our skilled personnel work with standardized lean manufacturing methods according to LEAX's production system. Value for money is another core value. We supply the best quality at the best cost and at the right time. All our efforts are summarized in our main value: the day we cease getting better is the day we stop being good. World-class manufacturing is the heart of our business, and through our business area we can offer advanced manufacturing solutions. Our competence range includes production and process development within advanced methods of metal cutting, gear and spline cutting, heat treatment and painting. We're a flexible, one-stop partner. We produce everything from low volume to high volume parts, and we work with flexible and reliable production according to your individual requirements. Our broad sub-supplier network supports us to fulfill all of our customers' specifications. We love production and its challenges. We can take products from design to mass production. Germany is where the design of high-quality gearboxes takes place. Along with product design and prototyping in Sweden, the LEAX Group has solid competence in the heat treatment of induction and case hardening processes, including metallurgic laboratory competence. Measuring and testing ensure that only quality parts will be sent to you. The LEAX Group followed our customers out into the world. Today we have a global footprint with presence in all the BRIC countries, with a staff of over 1,200 persons. We are big enough to make things happen, but small enough to care. Moving forward with LEAX Group, your partner for long-term cooperation.